manual car. So we found an automatic, and you say it broke down.
Here's what happened. Yeah, they didn't tell me that the automatic, even at its best, would be slower.
Yeah, did you not feel that? It's 1 second slower to 60.
Well, I didn't know. I mean, I hadn't done the other one. But anyway, luckily it broke down. And I thought, oh no, what do I do now? Now I have to really learn the thing. So I learned the thing, and then they told me, well, you know, this is going to be a little faster car anyway. I said, oh, well, that's good.
So you went to the manual. Now, here's what a little bird has told me. You did the entire lap, apart from the start, in 3rd gear.
Well, this is the first I've heard that might not be advisable. I said I was the great teacher.
Yeah.
The wizard said,
The Stig, you mean?
Yes.
The wizard, was he a wizard as well now? I didn't know he was
do
a
anything.
wizard.
He's a magical man. He got me through the first, here's first, second, and I said, and third, he said, stay in third.
Now, why would the Stig do that?
And I'm sure he had his reasons. He was masterful, and I adore him, but what happened? It was not good to stay in third?
No, really, no, because coming down the back straight, you need to be in 4th and even 5th, because the car will go to 100 miles an hour, but not in 3rd. Well, it will, but valves will come out.
I'm very upset, because I was thinking, I was enjoying it no end, and once I, got the hang of what to do, when you're really pressing it and you're going on, I went, geez, I wish there was more car under me. I wish it would do more.
But is it something you've done before, ever, driving around a track?
No, never.
Never in your whole life?
Never in my life. Never in my life, no. This was
yeah. Who would like to see Jeff's lap, bearing in mind, he's never driven round a track before and was in 3rd the entire way. Go on then, Jeff, let's have a look here.
Okay, all right.
You see, there's 1st and then 2nd and 3rd.
I understand,